course gives the kids a chance to go through real life experiences like time action calendars and gets to work with people in the industry. And through that process, they actually get real life experience. It's like trying to learn software without a computer. They get to learn how to do exactly what we do professionally.
This year, students are asking themselves, why am I doing this? What is it I want to say in this project? And I see sustainability issues coming up. They're considering the environment, they're considering their own message.
To use the lens of sustainability as they're developing it, as a filter for everything they're doing, whether it is developing a new fabric or developing a finish on a garment.
They have an educational effect on the consumer. They want the consumer to learn about what goes behind the creation of a pair of jeans with the environment in mind.
Just denim.
Just denim.
Just denim. Just denim. Just denim. Fair twill.
Set 'em wild, set 'em wild, set them free. Set 'em wild, set them free.
Over the years, the groups have become much more focused when they start this project, how they envision their product to look and where it's going to be positioned, which is helpful in narrowing down where they're going to source their fabrics from or what kinds of fabrics they're going to be looking for.
The students are incorporating the needs of the user, of the consumers, their personal and corporate responsibility. The idea of where are we producing the garment.
This year is the first year that the students really like the idea of producing jeans in the United States.
Some very nice considerations that affect all of us and affect our future.
Adam is high-tech,
Innovative.
Edgy.
One of a kind.
Made in New York City.
I think what TDM has created here is something very special. You're bringing together the top students, the real future for the apparel and textile industries here, and that's why it's so important for SAPIMA to participate in this program. Talk with them, tell a little bit about our story, and in turn learn about the future of textiles.
This year, our challenge was to execute a garment dye program. Every year, we expect something in the last week to start making garments in 24 hours.
They should be back right in time for the presentation.
They're collaborating, they're making social media because of its widespread impact, and we as advisors get to learn from the students as they get to learn from us. The collaboration is happening all around.
Social media is really changing the way that the students can connect with their consumers. If it's just through viral video marketing campaign, Twitter account, they all have such great strategies on how to reach the correct demographic.
Hi, we're the Women's Denim Group.
We are Camney Denim.
We're California meets New York.
We're wide-legged and high-waisted.
Color denim.
Visit us at camneydenim.com.
As the students are launching new brands of denim, it's important not only to have a good technical product, but to understand the markets. So by sharing information from Cotton Incorporated about consumer direction and market information, the students can help define the context of a successful launch of their denim brand.
We are Darkroom Denim. See what develops. Woo!
About the project is that you meet a lot of people in the industry and make great contacts.
The students get to network with a group of people that they may not necessarily have met otherwise.
Create a story and share the conversation between everybody in the digital space.
This project is very much real life because it allows the students to experience many different facets of what it takes to bring a product to market.
Although this project was really fun to work on, the students ran into some problems, and what was really interesting to see is the creativity that surfaced and how they dealt with them. That's what happens in the real world with great product.
This was just a terrific group. I enjoyed working with them. They were exciting and they were excited. They came into the project with a tremendous amount of enthusiasm. We traveled together, we had great times together. I believe that they really took away the essence of the project, which is learning how to work with people, make decisions together, and trying to become a person that people want to work with. I'm really proud of them, and I think they're going to do just great.
They are the most important part of the presentation, and they convey their passion, their energy, and their real commitment to accomplish their task. They will find that's contagious. People will enjoy working with them and will support them, and it will increase their likelihood of their success.
They get to see a little bit of everything. They get to see the dry processing, the pattern work, the design work, the R&D work, the development, the presentation. All of it gets combined. And because of the fact that they work with Ola and all these other great professionals, they get this exposure that they will be able to carry on to the industry. That makes it unique. That makes it special. That makes it worth doing every year, again and again.